Hello everyone, welcome to a brand new video of Publisher Champ new features. In this video we're going to talk about smart links. Smart links is a smart way of tracking links that point to your books or point to any other page that you want and be able to track how many clicks you got, from which country you got the clicks, when you got the clicks, and then be able to track everything integrated within our dashboard without having to pay other service providers and then have to aggregate everything into Excel spreadsheets and having to figure your way out. Everything is going to be integrated within our platform, and we've designed it in a seamless way so that we can help you promote your books, be able to redirect your readers to the correct Amazon store, redirect your readers to your store or to your website, your YouTube channel, and anywhere anything that you wanna, anywhere you wanna redirect your users, we are covering that with this new integration. So let's get straight into it. You can find the Smart Links page on your left sidebar called Smart Links. There you will see a list of all your books with the different formats. What you can do is you can create links for your books and then be able to tell the link where you want to point that link, and then we will track the country the click came from, how many clicks you got, and then be able to display that in our charts so that you know how your links are performing. So let's create some links so I can show you how it works. So I've searched for this book. I can straight up just add a link. You can basically a tag is something that you tag the link with so that you can later on filter your data based on the tag and be able to see how you can group different links based on a tag, and then you can see how those links are performing. So for example, I can say this is going to be the Amazon reviews tag, and I can say, okay, go to the Amazon reviews page. So what that would do is going to create a new link for this book. As you can see, total links 1. It creates a link that will point the user to the correct Amazon storefront. So that means if someone is in the US, it will go to Amazon.com reviews page. If they're in the UK, we'll go to the .co.uk, in France in the .fr, and so on and so forth. So we cover all territories. So let me just give you an example. As you can see, I have the tag Amazon reviews. It will go to the Amazon reviews page. It will redirect, as it states here, to the create review. As I told you, it will correctly go to the correct Amazon store, and then you have your URL, which if I click, it will open it up and record the click. I can copy the URL, and then you have the number of clicks, and I'll just explain the rest in just a sec. So let's say I got my link, and then as you can see, it took me to the core UK because I'm in the UK, and it tells me to create a review. So now let's say I want to create another link that will go to the Amazon store itself. So Amazon landing page, I can name it. That you can name it whatever you want. That's a tag that you can name it whatever you want. And I want it to go to the Amazon store. As you see, I have the Amazon book page. So it's gonna go in the landing page, and I can copy that, paste it there. As you can see now, I went to the paperback version because I'm on the paperback book, as you can see right here, and it took them directly to their local storefront. So you also have the option. So if I just quickly refresh this by searching there, as you can see, total links to, total clicks to. As you can see, they each got a click because I clicked. Then you are able to say, okay, I want also QR codes. So what you covered, you can copy this QR code from here if you want, with or without the book cover, and you can put it anywhere you want. If someone scans this QR code, it will go to the link we created, which will record the click, take them to the correct Amazon storefront or to anywhere else that you pointed the link to go to. So let's say I want to create a link that will go to YouTube, and then you can put your YouTube channel. So I can say YouTube, and then I just say, okay, I want a custom URL. By the way, we have tooltips that explains everything. So, and I want it to go to YouTube. So let me just do that. I'm gonna youtube.com, and if I hit save, as you can see, I have a custom URL that goes to YouTube. Let me just copy that, paste it here, and that will record a click and go to YouTube. So as you can see, went to YouTube. If I go here and I do this, now it should say 3 links, 3 clicks, and then I got one for YouTube as well. You can edit or delete your links, and you can do whatever you want. If you create a link and put it somewhere on an Amazon ad, on a Facebook ad, or on your website or anywhere, and then you edit the link here, that link will automatically update, which means that if someone was to go to this custom link that we gave you, if you edit it from here, then it will go to where you edited the link. So for example, here, as you see, it goes to YouTube. And then I say, okay, I don't want it to go to YouTube anymore. I want it to go to the Amazon reviews page. So I edit that. As you can see, it got updated. The URL stayed exactly the same. So if I go back now and I put the URL, it will go correctly to the reviews page. It won't go to YouTube. That means it gives you the benefit to edit the links without having to go and replace them across wherever you posted them. So another cool thing that we have is the templates. You can create a template for your different URLs so that you keep them grouped and tidy up, and you know how you can easily create multiple links for your books. So for example, I can create a template called Etsy. So Etsy shop, and let's say it goes to a custom URL. So I want it to go to etsy.com, right? So I created that template. As you can see, Etsy shop is there. My website is there because I've created it before. And I can create another one, and it's gonna be called, let's say Google. Let's say you have, just for the sake of the example, but you might put your own website. Actually, let me put Publisher Champ. So what I can do is a custom URL that will go to Publisher Champ. So now I've created templates, and what I can do is I can click this plus from templates. So it's gonna add URLs based on the templates that I had. As you can see, created the Etsy shop, created my website, and then created Publisher Champ. And just like that, I can go to the next one. Instead of just manually adding one by one the links, I can create those, and it will create based on the tags that I gave it before. So here we'll go to etsy.com. So if I copy this, I paste it here. As you can see, it redirects etsy.com. And now if I go and again kind of further refresh the table here, as you can see, 3 links, 1 click, and that was the Etsy shop. Again, QR code that if they scan it, it will go straight to the URL that you want. So now after you redirect everyone to the correct store, everyone is happy, you got a number of clicks, then you want to be able to see the trends. You want to be able to analyze your data. So that's where we got you covered as well. So I'll just give an example of one page, but you see it across all pages. So for example, if I go on the book stats page, where I see all the book stats, is one of our most comprehensive pages that has the more analytics, then you'll be able to see that, as you can see, I got 5 clicks today. 5 clicks today. And then I will be able to say, okay, show me based on the book sold. So you'll be able to see the trends. Of course, here I just have a few, but you'll be able to see trends of how your revenue is changing compared to the clicks that you got. So that way you can see trends. You can also filter by for example, if I go Etsy shop, remember we had 1 click for Etsy shop. So technically that should filter by Etsy shop for this. And then we should see 1 click, as you can see. And then you also have the option to add it to your table. I have already done that. So smart link clicks. So you're able to see for every book how many clicks you got. Smart link clicks. So that way you are able to easily analyze and see how many clicks you got. And then if, for example, I filter the countries. So let me just do a quick filter and I put countries and I put US, United States. It shouldn't show me any clicks because I'm in the UK and all the clicks came from the UK. So as you can see from the graph, there are no clicks. As you can see from the table, there are no clicks. Now, if I go and I put United Kingdom, I had clicks from United Kingdom. That's where all that 1 click came from. And as you can see, I have 1 click from the United Kingdom. So you are also able to filter the country where the click came from. And that's just the beginning. We're in the beta phase now. You'll be able to test it. You will need to send us a message either on the live chat or at support@publisherchamp.com to give you access at the beta testing. And then after you get access, you'll be able to do all these things that we do, and we'll be rolling regular updates until and this is just version 1. We'll be releasing version 2. It's going to have a lot more statistics, It's gonna, of course, we're gonna improve based on feedback like we always do. And we hope you are as excited as we are, because we know a lot of authors that have been requesting this, and we know a lot of people that have different services that they use to be able to track links, but they were never able to put it together with the analytics they get from Publisher Champ. But now everything will be into one, which means that it saves you a lot of time, a lot of hassle to be able to track all this, and there is no need for Excel spreadsheets. Everything will be seamlessly integrated within our platform. Thank you very much. We hope you enjoy it as much as we do, and see you in the next one.